2 Grizzlies, 2002, 2009.
What are you doing?
Making a video.
Why?
For fun? Holy.
Oh, it's fun.
Oh shit, man. Is that your gas?
No.
Hell is.
No, we're heating.
No, like the fucking coolant shooting everywhere.
I know. Just leave it. Don't touch it. It's fucking hot.
Yeah.
It'll burn you like crazy.
Oh shit, my gas is boiling.
Where's the shooting from?
I think it's boiling. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh fuck, my coolant's going too. Oh shit. Ah. We're overheating. I think that's my.
Yeah, it's cool. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. You're all in the seat. We'll leave you to, we'll be here for half an hour.
You would get that lawn chair.
What?
You would get the lawn chair.
Yeah, nice.
There's a big son of a bitch on a hill. Go down it. Whoa. It's one steep hill. Oh, I'll be back with more after the 4-wheelers cool down.